Hello guys, this is Mohammad Rashid and today we are going to learn Siemens PLC programming on Logo Soft Comfort version 8.2. I am going to start with a basic example and later on we will go on a higher example. First I will explain the question. There are some bottles on the conveyor and I have attached two photoelectric sensors that will detect the standing position of the bottles. If the bottles are not properly stand, so the sensor will activate a output and it will reject the bottle from the conveyor. Let's first check the overview of the software. When you will visit on the new, you can see we can do the function block, ladder diagram. Okay, that was all the languages. In the tools we can upload or download the program. We can check the IO status. In the board we can see the software version Logo Soft Comfort V8.2. Here are the instruction list. This is the timer area. We can find all the timer, the counter, analog instructions and the miscellaneous instructions. Okay. Last you can see the data log file. If you want to simulate, you can simulate from here. You can also online test, connect and break. So let's start the programming. First I'm going to take a one NO and going to give the name photo sensor. Bottle down. In the simulation we can change the mood of the switches. Okay, I am going to select momentary push button make. This is the mood of the switch. Now I am going to take a one NC block. Okay, going to give the name. We can also select the mood first. Okay, I am going to give the name photo sensor. Bottle up. So we have taken a two sensor. The first one will detect if the bottom of the bottle, and the second sensor will detect the up position of the bottle. Now I am going to take a one output. So this output will activate and it will on our solenoid valve that will reject the bottle if the bottle are not completely stand on the conveyor. So this is different from the RX Logix 500. You have to join all the input. Okay, with the join. Okay, now I'm going to simulate. So I have pressed I1. You can see the output has on. It means the bottle position has detected by the down sensor but not by the up sensor. Because of that the output valve has on. Okay, but if I press the only up position, I'm going to change the mood of the input so we can explain you clearly. Okay, I have selected the switch mode. So I have on the I1. It means the bottle has detected the down position and the output has on. If both the sensor has on, it means we don't need to reject the bottle because the bottle has started completely up. But if both the sensor has on, but if the sensor let up position has not sensed, it means we have to reject the bottle because the bottle has detected the down position. So it's a simple logic I have explained you. In this video I just want to show you the overview of the software and how to add input-output instructions. In the next video I am going to explain you a higher example. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.